Welcome to Wilk 3D. This week's Printables contest is remote holders. Well, I've got a solution that will never let you lose your remote again. This is a remote on a rope. But if that isn't practical enough for you, then let me introduce the TV Remote Nunchucks. These nunchucks allow you to change the channel and protect your home at the same time. Built from premium PLA and climbing rope, these will never leave you hanging. If you'd like to print yourself a set of nunchucks, these files are available on Printables.com for the remote holder contest, so be sure to head over there and give it a like and a download.